What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how can you create amazing images for free. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing, then check my number one recommendation or check my video description. And inside my video description you will see my Facebook page. Here is my Facebook page, a lot of info about make money online, and you can send message here for contracting with me. Now in this video I will show you how to create amazing images for free. If you are a online marketer or if you are a freelancer, then images always a mandatory element for your online marketing. But if you download images from various website or Google, then most of the case you will be copyrighted. Images is one of the most copyrighted fact in online marketing. So in case of various ads like Facebook, Google, YouTube or any other ads, if you use this type of copyrighted images, then your account will be banned, your um, ads will be disapproved. So you need to create your personal amazing images for attracting your customers or your clients. Now in this video I will show you how can you create free images as much as you want. So guys, let's check into my computer, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you are interested with affiliate marketing, then obviously this YouTube channel will help you a lot. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you see here I am uploading videos in daily basis. So guys, check this website. It's canva.com. You can use this website for creating amazing images, and it's totally free. You don't need to buy it, you don't need to pay any monthly fees. You can use this website with 100% free. Just sign up your account by your Facebook account, it's my Facebook account, or your Gmail account. It's simple. Now you see here you can create various logos, presentation, YouTube channel art, flyer, YouTube thumbnail, poster, Instagram post, video, Facebook post, infographic, invitation, Facebook cover, card, your story, everything you can create using this free website canva.com. Now I want to create a YouTube thumbnail, so you can click here or you can search here YouTube thumbnail. If you are an freelancer or if you see here a lot of categories inside here, you can choose any of the template, or if your niche or your profession matched some of these templates, then you can choose any of the template. Or if you want to create your own image, then you can choose this blank. Okay, now you can change this background color. You can choose any of this color. Okay, suppose that's it. Fine. Now you can images, you can use text document here. You see here various text. You can use this text format, or you can use heading tab form, heading format or subheading format. Suppose I am using heading format. You can write anything. Okay, now you can change your text format. You see here a lot of format. You can choose any of this. You can choose any of this. You can make it big, small, very big. Okay, now you can change this text color here. You can choose any of the color. Okay, now you can add images here, and you can upload image. You have to upload your images first. Suppose look here, upload. It's an affiliate marketing related image. Now I can upload. It's an affiliate marketing image. I can use this image. Fine. Now you can use a logo, or you have to upload this. You can place any position. Just drag and drop and change any position, and you can use your own image at this picture. So upload images. Here all my uploaded images here, and it's my image. Okay, it's a YouTube thumbnail image, so I can use a YouTube bar or logo. That's okay. You can create images using this Canva website, and it's so much easy and simple to make your own image. And if you use this uh, website for creating your images. It's your personal image. There is no copyrighted issues using this type of images. And you can see here, I personally use this website, and you see all of my YouTube thumbnails here, and I am creating this use these images using this Canva software, and it's okay. And you see here download. Just click this download and download your image. That's it. And you can add it videos here and any other elements using various emojis, logos you can use to your picture. So it's so easy, so simple. Just use 1 or 2 days, then it will be very much simple. You see here. So guys, that's it. So guys, use this canva.com. You see here canva.com for creating your amazing personal images, and there is no copyrighted issues if you use your personal images, and I recommend you to use your personal image in case of online marketing. So guys, if this video helped you, then thumbs up this video, and don't forget to share this video for the others. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and updates of my channel. And you see here I am uploading videos in daily basis. And you see, it's Legendary Marketer. I am Raju Bhadra. I am an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. I am a member of Legendary Marketer, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And it's an educational online marketing platform, high ticket training program. And if you want to run your online business successfully for lifetime, then Legendary Marketer is one of the best training program for anyone. If you are an expert and you are a newbie, it doesn't matter. Anyone can join this Legendary Marketer and run their online business successfully for a lifetime. So guys, using this canva.com, you can create your personal copyright free images, and you can attract your customers by your own image. So guys, that's it. Best of luck.